Hi guys! Here's an unboxing for some orchids that actually arrived on Halloween night. So please forgive the less than ideal lighting and filming situation. For some orchid art, jump right to the last minute. Now I'm going to speed up the video a bit. Hope you enjoy! So here is how they're doing 2 weeks later. The heaven sent is blooming. The lava burst doesn't look super happy. It seems to have been divided with only one pseudobulb, so maybe that's a factor. But it did keep its blooms, and you can even see its faint markings. So for this unboxing order, some of these plants were spontaneous, and I basically just asked what was in spike. I'm actually surprised they all kept their blooms in spike. Here are some other plants who've adapted to my garage studio. Mostly rescues or no-name phals, though my Luna orchid is in here too. The new vandas are upstairs in my bedroom. The Bangkok sunset has a second spike. I'm trying them out in vases and soaking them every other day and misting in between. I'm not sure if I like it yet or not. I'll let you guys know. Here is my Sherry baby in bloom. She's normally in a northeastern facing room, especially during the summer, except right now while it's cloudy and rainy season in the Pacific Northwest. She's here next to my bed, so I can smell her in the morning. My Miltoniopsis is temporarily here too. She's in spike. I've also moved my Cattleyas here to see if the higher light will help them thrive and bloom. Here in the bathroom jungle, my Vanda mix is blooming. Please don't mind the pink flower hair tie supporting her. That's not a real flower. My Phaltestraspis C1 is flowering again. I love her as always. And the phal amboinensis is flowering too. They both have subtle, zesty scents. My Brassivola nodosa is spiking. She's doing much better since I added a humidifier closer to her last year. And this Oncidium is spiking too. My two little Cattleyas are improving this year. After losing quite a few leaves from shock when I got them a few years ago, they're growing larger pseudobulbs again, which is great. Here's my Paphiopedilum. When she was flowering, she was in my studio garage, where I was spending a lot of time. I like to keep the garage doors open until early fall, and some adventurous bug came and fertilized her. I'll probably cut off the seed pod because I don't have the ability to really develop them. And here is this other Oncidium in spike too. Here is my oldest phal. She's a no ID, but I've had her for a decade. She was the first orchid I had that survived. When I first got her, I drew a sketch of her and called her my little jungle orchid. At the time, my kids were babies, and it was the first time I tried to draw in a long time. Recently, I tried to honor her by redrawing and adding paint to her portrait. Here's the result. If you want to see any more art in the future, let me know. Do you have an orchid that's extra special to you? Tell me about it below in the comments. I'll be posting a New Year's update very soon, so look for that to see some surprise blooms. Thanks for watching.